Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. I think fishing poles are one of the most awkward things to have to store. I want to show you a storage solution that we found and really love. This Butizone fishing rod rack has been such a lifesaver. It is a great way to store things on the wall, or in our case, it fits perfectly on our garage door. And it has been awesome. So it stores up to 8 rods and reel combos. You can use this also for any other sort of long object that you need to store, but it is seriously perfect for organizing and storing those fishing poles. This is a super nice quality storage rack as well. It's definitely heavy duty and it doesn't feel flimsy at all. It is finished with a black powder coating, so that helps to prevent corrosion and scratches, especially where you bring the rods in and out. So it's definitely going to last for a long time. So the nice thing about this is that attached to the garage door, it can actually go up and down when you open the garage door and not be disturbed at all. So we really love that because this utilizes not only vertical space, but really unused space on the garage door. So I would definitely recommend this storage solution for fishing poles, and that's my point of view.